Do you want to know how you can sign out of all sessions in Perplexity AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign out of all your sessions or your devices of Perplexity AI. So, if you want to sign out from all of the devices with which you have opened Perplexity AI, this video is for you. Go ahead and open Perplexity AI on your Chrome OS browser and then log into your account. Click on this setting option which you can see on the bottom left hand corner, and under the account scroll down until you find sessions. You can see that if you click sign out of all sessions, all of the devices or browsers which you have logged in will be signed out. So go ahead and click sign out of all sessions and press confirm. This way, all of the devices that you have signed in with your Perplexity account will be signed out. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.